Another new launch from Maybelline, and Maybelline is coming up with back-to-back new launches, and all of them pretty much seem to be the base product. Recently, Maybelline launched the BB cream, and now this full coverage concealer. I was super excited, so I got this one. And as you can see, the packaging, it is very sleek and nice, and we need to get into the review of this particular product. So without any further ado, let's just get rolling. And yes, it's me, your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. So this is the new Maybelline New York Spot Rescue Full Coverage Skin Improving Concealer with salicylic acid. This claims to give you natural full coverage, reduce pimples by 50%, minimize pimples within 1 week, doesn't dry out the skin, has salicylic acid, glycerin and vitamin C, and which will not clog your pores. And also you get 15 ml of product, which is half of the foundation product. So you can say you get a lot of product at this particular price point. The packaging and the concept of this product is clearly giving me a very all-in-one base product with the amount of product you get. Now the shade that I've got is 35, which seemed to be a cool tone, but on my skin it looks yellow, and I'm trying to take one tiny drop, so I scraped that one out. And now this product is spreading so easily with that one single tiny drop. It spreads like butter. The formula is very creamy, and it's just spreading all across very nicely and giving me a full-fledged coverage. You can see that clearly, but the shade I feel is looking a little bit off because it is looking a little bit more yellow, and I don't know if it will oxidize or not, because if it oxidizes, then I'm gonna look like a little bit oompa loompa. So I don't want to look like that. But now we are going to be using this one as a concealer also, and we are going to be using one tiny little dot. I think that's it. That's really it. And just one a little bit here. This is so full coverage. I have no words. I don't even need a color corrector with this particular product. You guys can see the difference completely. This side is how it's looking with all the spots, pigmentation, darkness underneath my eyes, discoloration, and look at this side. One tiny drop, a little bit here. So now this is marketed as a very full coverage concealer with tiny little drop, but this can feel very thick and heavy if you use it as a base product, and sticky as well, especially in this hot and humid summers. I love the coverage, but the fact it feels a little sticky and thick on my skin, I'm not really loving that much. A tiny little drop there. You see the coverage. I have hit pan on both of these powders. I love these powders equally, but they have different purposes. So you can choose any one. But with this particular concealer, I would say I would like to go with this Maybelline Matte and Poreless one. This is a setting one. This is not going to give me that much of coverage. And that's what I need because I already have a full glam coverage. Just gonna take some powder and just gonna add it wherever I feel I will produce oil later on the day, just on those areas. Now with spot powdering, as you can see, it has taken away all that shine. It looks so much more blurred and nice and smooth, and this side is actually looking a little bit glowy. I'm just gonna be doing a quick transfer test. I have a small tissue over here. I'm just gonna try and see if anything is transferring. As you can clearly see, there is a very subtle to minimal transfer after like 30 minutes of applying this particular concealer as a base product. Now this is how my skin looks in normal light, natural light, and you can say that the formula looks a little too glowy being a matte formula. Honestly, I feel that it looks really great as a concealer, but if you apply this on your full face of makeup, as a full face of makeup, it can look very makeupy. It can cling into your pores or in your smile lines, because it does cling onto my pores. Other than that, I would say it's a decent product, perfect for college going girls, perfect for anybody who's going to office every day and needs something that will work for oily acne prone skin. Then they should definitely grab or check out on this particular product. The formula is very creamy, thick, and it is lightweight, breathable, but again the formula feels a little bit thick as well. So yes, that's a lot of things I feel about this product, but it's just another decent concealer, nothing extraordinary, guys. I'll be very honest. And yes, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and it would help me a lot as well. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.